For the same road I fix 5, 6 times because a government contractor run, yeah, and the Chinese them can't bid feet because we already have our own people fi come fix road, and then patchy two little part and collect and write in and say them they sending invoice. That done. All I wanna get used. Done. So this is just a tip of the iceberg. We know what you have beg already. We know that you have a little shame. We could even say you make election cool off a little bit before you start beg. What to know? Me not understand this. Y'all are a WhatsApp group where the Tapanaris them and the people them will represent, yeah, the hierarchy of the risers, the PNP risers party. You all are a WhatsApp group.